Chicken pizza. Let's make delicious chicken pizza. First we take a purpose flour in bowl. Now we will add yeast and salt to the hot water and leave it for 10 minutes and then mix it in the flour. Add egg. Mixed well. Add yogurt. Add gestin flour. Add little bit oil. Leave it half hour. Now we take a boneless chicken. Add lemon. Add salt, ginger powder, garlic powder and dry fenugreek powder. Mixed well. Add oil and chicken in pan. Cooked well in medium flame. Now we make a bread for pizza. First we make a layer with cheese. Now make a layer with chicken capsicum and then cheese and olives. Ready for eat. Delicious chicken pizza. Thanks for watching.